Sorry, Luna's trying to copy me, y'all. She's bad about it now. Yes, I have a pretty little kitty on my shoulders. My cats think they're half birds. And you'll see over my video where she just randomly just comes up while I'm doing my eyeshadow and gets up on my shoulders to lay down. It's really sweet though. When you want affection, you come and get us. She kind of just like draped herself around me. Do not want to see your booty. Right, my cats are weird. Very weird. But they do say that their animals act like they're older, so. You wouldn't. I'll put a diaper on you. If you want to come get on camera, you're going to have to start wearing a diaper. You want to show your booty. She's trying to get comfortable. And I guess this is how to get comfortable. Isaiah, look at this cat. So, if you're new and this is the first time you're seeing my silly ass and my cat, if you would, please hit that subscribe button, that bell, and share me out on any platforms that you might have, or any friends and family that you might know that would enjoy crazy content like this. We are more than just makeup, y'all. I love doing makeup and chit-chatting about life in general. I'm a mother of 9, and, you know, I deal with depression and anxiety and all kinds of other stuff that just comes along with life. And I love chit-chatting about it, you know, bringing awareness where it needs to be. I feel like my lashes are off. But anyway, I hope you will follow me along in this crazy journey of my calm life. And I will see y'all over the video. I have a couple of unboxings to do, and I'm trying out a new brand. Well, it's not a new brand, it's a new brand to me. Let me rephrase that. I have tried a product from this brand prior to this video, but nothing like this. So if you're excited to see what I got, what I think about this brand, make sure you're following along, and I will see you over in the video. Okay. Sorry. First and foremost, I finally got some of that back there looking halfway decent instead of a clutterfuck. So I got a shelf. That's what I asked for Christmas, was a shelf. And me and Jasmine put it together. I worked on it all night last night trying to organize it. I need to get one I asked for Christmas was the shelf. I got it. We got it put up yesterday, me and Jasmine. And I worked on it just about all night last night. That's why I didn't get a chance to film. And I need one more to go behind, before I knock everything down, behind the door. And I think I'll be pretty set until I get behind vanity. Oh my God. It's all coming together. It looks a lot more organized. It feels a lot less clutterfuck, like I said. I mean, I don't know whatever better word to say it. Excuse my French. I do have some Bob AF nail to show y'all. First and foremost, this is Little Black Box. It is from Tryin Cosmetics. Y'all know I love the blank canvas. It is like my absolute favorite eye base. It's just so good. It doesn't crease. It's amazing. And I was about out because of not only Luna digging in it, but Felicity. So, you know, they've been taking a toe on my eye base. And not only that, I use it like literally every time I film. So this was a way back order. Like it's been a minute since I ordered this, but in defense, the shirt that I had ordered didn't have the size. She contacted me literally the same day that I ordered it and asked me like what size did I want, and I told her, and she put it in, and somehow or another in the warehouse it just didn't ever get moved, and so she had to go back in and replace the order basically. And I mean, she did everything super fast. Jen is awesome. I freaking love the brand owner of Tryin Cosmetics. I couldn't ask for a better brand owner. She done everything. I do have one issue. The size is wrong, unfortunately. And I don't know, maybe going in and reordering my order, it got mixed up because I was supposed to get an XL. And I asked for a 2X just because I like, I like some t-shirts loose fitting just to be comfy around the house. I mean, I don't ever go nowhere. I like to be comfortable. They sent me a 3X. She's pretty damn big. Like, she really big. Really big. Not my size by no means, but it's a comfy big shirt. Will I wear it? Yes. I mean, I'd rather have it too big than too small. I could probably throw it in the dryer, shrink it a little bit, maybe. So, like, all day, I did contact her and let her know I got my package and that the size of the shirt was wrong, and she offered to send me another one, and I told her not to worry about it. She's been beyond amazing with everything. Will you stop? It ain't the kids, it's the cats. So, I will make this shirt work. Thank you, Jenna Kid, if you're watching. I don't know if you're watching videos or not. They had the sale of the clean canvas eye base, so I went ahead and got another white one that I absolutely love, and then I got a fair one. And they're just so super creamy, just the right consistency to me. I do love P.LOUISE, and I do love my NARS concealer, pot concealer. Also the eyeshadow bases, but my all-time favorite is the Jar Cosmetics. I did order a lip liner in the shade Mudslide. I know I had one, and I really do like it, but I wasn't sure what shade I have, and of course I have Mudslide. The one I wanted was sold out, unfortunately, so I went ahead and got the next darkest one, because I do like sometimes to ombre my lips. And with a dark liner, it's so easy to do it. But it's such a gorgeous shade. So I have a backup for this. No biggie. What is a product you love? You know you'll get use out of it. So I don't mind accidentally ordering the same shade. And I don't have one. And place of having to wait for my order, she did slide me in a Hydro Matte liquid lipstick. And she put it in the shade Mudslide as well. So it's pretty dark. Not technically a shade I would rock, but I can ombre out my lips really good with that. So I've got the Glam Light Chocolate Martini and the Dirty Martini. These were sent to me by Stephanie to try out. I was able to get the collection, so she's sending me a couple at a time. Y'all, this brand right here, I've tried only the eyeshadow base because this is a very bougie-est brand. The only thing you can really find outside of P.LOUISE store is the eyeshadow base. Everything else you pretty much have to go through the UK to get. In love with the spots. So this is P.LOUISE. If the crown fits. Look how gorgeous this is. Like, can we just take a second for the packaging? And it came super fast. Like, this is crazy. I don't know what Luna's doing. Sorry, y'all. Luna's doing Luna. Anytime I see her, she likes to be wide open, of course. That's not going to fit there. I'll figure out a spot for her. But anywho, there was a bundle. So this is the P.LOUISE Happy Holidays. So ho ho. May all your wishes come true. Basically, you got like a little Christmas card. But I thought it was super cute. To the Madness Bay, Merry Christmas. I love it. I absolutely love it. And then you got to do you want to play a game. You had to match 3. You can win $1,000 in money, $100 for food shopping, or win the Christmas collection. The Christmas collection is gorgeous. But unfortunately, I didn't win. I had 2 crowns and a little thing. It's okay. Now, in the bundle that I got was the Zodiac Sip Sign. And y'all know I'm a Cancer, so there's Cancer energy. Let's see if I can get her open. I don't know what was on, but she's literally all the way to the kitchen being out loud. So when you open her up, she opens up like this. Look how freaking gorgeous. So she's Cancer energy. Y'all know I'm all about my cold coffee, so that's the cup. That's P.LOUISE at the top. Butterflies, the crab stars. It's just gorgeous. Positivity, intuitivity, stability, and loving. These are basically like our things for our energy, I guess. Still out. Ain't she cute? I can't wait to use that. So stay tuned for that. Got a young see that soon. I'm all about my cups. Right now I'm actually using just a regular kangaroo cup. Surprise, surprise, y'all. Then in the set. This set, mind you, it retailed for like $144 US money. And it was only $55. So it was a killer freaking deal. These are the 3 brushes that came with the set. I think I see which brush she got. Guys, no, she got one. She took a couple. This is P.LOUISE 116. Very nice for the brush. 115 and 117. And you got to pick the 3 ones you wanted. These were like the only 3 you had available, so you can pick like 3 of the same one if you wanted to, I guess. I thought this was cool. This was really, really cool. So I can't wait to try these out. I'm actually going to try to try them today. Kind of fancy stuff. Then in the bundle, you got to pick out 4 different P.LOUISE spaces. So I went ahead and got another white one because I am getting low on my white one. I used the hell out of my white one. And the ones I have already, I don't have much here. When it comes to P.LOUISE, I have the neutral one, I have the green one, the purple one, and then the white one. So I got a backup white one, which I just threw before, bright red one, a black one because I heard this is really good for dual chromes, and then this is kind of like a mint orange, like a muted orange coral color. Yeah, I got some more bases. Color bases. I'm really trying to get into them a little bit more. Yeah, lip base, P.LOUISE. I've never tried their lip base. I got mine in the shade Solo Nude. Very ugly color by itself. But I think it would be a really pretty color to operate out. Holy crap, this ugly color. And that's my fault because I picked it. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea by no means. Let's see if we can fix this real quick. Okay, yeah, I'll bring it out. It makes it look a lot better. And then you actually having a full face of products on. Then you have to pay like shipping. Look at the shades. I have not swatched them or anything. So I barely swatched it. Wow, y'all. Which I've heard UK products are really good. That their quality, their standard quality is a little bit better. So, look at this packaging. This is the Winter Wonders. Together Forever Walking in Winter Wonders. Love tapes. So yeah, this is probably going to be the Winter Wonder. Look. And I just thought these two kind of look good together. This has got to go on there. And then the inner corner is that one. Yeah, I'm going to put this guy right here. And I might give it to the other one to do a look with. I don't know. But I will hop off here and come back and fast forward, do the eye look, and then we'll talk about everything afterwards. Yeah, she started acting up anyways. Kind of got it disappear. I don't know how I did that, but I made it disappear. But I'll see y'all in a second. Okay. We do that periodically. And she wants some attention. Or she just wants to be nosy. But, yeah. It's an eyeshadow. It's cool. Like, look at the look. I'm super impressed with the shadows. Is it something tremendously different? No. Just to be honest. Am I glad I got it for my collection? Yes. I'm not going to like run out and get a whole bunch more this time. It is really good formula and I can't wait to get more. Sorry, my daughter doesn't know how to turn down her devices. She's trying to get me copyrighted. But yeah, this is my full face. Like you saw, I really do like everything. It blended out really nicely. I wanted to do a little more on the eye, but I kind of I got happy where I was at, so I just. Go ahead and finish up this look. this is what I got scratched up. Pretty sure. I love these little Huda bullet bushes. I'm gonna run out quick. I've got to get some more. Because I love popping that little white one right there. And then what I do is I always go in there with this. Anywho, don't know what's in your butt. Stop. I'm about to start my video just because you don't know how to sit down. And then anywho, and just I'm running that out right there. Perfect color. I do not want to know what you're doing, Kat. I do not want to know what you're doing. What are you doing? This is my complete look. I hope y'all liked it. If you have not tried P.LOUISE, I highly recommend catching them on a sale. Like I said, it's not like it's something tremendously formulated to where you have to run out and get it right in a second. They are beautiful shades. That purple right there is a unique shade. I don't have it. Not that I can think of right off bat. But I do recommend like trying to get them on a sale. It'll be my best bet for you. You can never go wrong catching a sale, because if you're ordering them from the US, unless it's like the special they got going on right then and there, expect to be paying a high price for shipping. And I just don't want y'all to be set up that way. I'm hoping later on she brings some more items down this way, and it'd be a little bit more easier for us to get our hands on. It'd be a lot better. But you know, until then, we could just keep our eyeballs on stuff that we enjoy and like, and you know, watch them as they go and see where they go. And once you get to, everything goes on sale, so you're going to be able to catch a deal. I would just highly recommend whatever platform you might have is subscribing to the platform and their news feed, and that way you're getting straight emails or text or whatever you want to do, and you'll get notified whenever they have them. Because it's really good. I really did like her brushes. These brushes are amazing. Like, I want to get more now. They're really soft, so adorable. Like, you wouldn't think so. So good. So good. So precise too. And that's what I love about it. This cat's really asleep right here. I love y'all, and I will see y'all over in my next video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn that bell on, and share this care. That's what it's all about.